everyone, welcome to EDUSOFT. Today is our third session of Opencv. In second session, what we have already completed, we have seen how we can display image information, how we can manipulate an image, and how we can crop with ROI an image. In this session, session 3, what we will going to learn? We will going to learn how we can resize an image, rotate an image, and copy an image to the desired location. Coming to first one, that is copy and pasting an image. So here, we can copy a pixel range over another pixel range. And how we can do this? Let's see over here. This is the syntax. First of all, what we have to do, we have to import CV2. Then we have to import pyplot from matplot library SPLT. After this, you have to pass the reference image path in imread method of Opencv. After this, you can see over here, I equal to img, and in this as an argument, what we have to pass? We have to pass the desired index of the row and the desired index of the column. For the row index, I want from 300 to 500, and in column index, I want my image as 400 to 850. After this, as in image itself, in the location of row range from 0 to 200 and column as 0 to 450, what I'm doing over here, I'm pasting the I in the desired location. After this, plt.imshow, within this, argument as image reference, and then plt.show. And we can see our output like this. This is the original image, and this is the image which we have copied just right now. So in this way, you can copy your image and paste your image at the desired location you want to paste there. Now coming to next one, that is resizing images. Method resize of Opencv takes the Opencv image object as an reference and new dimensions of the image as an argument. It returns the resized image object. You can see a syntax over here. You can see over here, resize image equal to mycv.resize. So what method of Opencv library we are going to use over here? We are going to use resize method of Opencv library. In this, what is the first argument? You have to give the image reference as the first argument. And what is the second argument? The second argument is the dimension of the image. And you can see your output like this. So this is the resized image of the original image. In this way, using the resize method of Opencv library, you can resize your image to the desired one. Coming to next one, that is rotating an image. Now, what if I want to rotate my image? So, what method we have to use? We have to use get rotation matrix to the method of CV2 library. In this, as an argument, what we have to pass? We have to pass the first argument as center, the second argument as angle, and third argument as scale. Here you can see the second argument angle equal to 30 degree. So this is the angle by which you want to rotate your image. And this is the scale equal to 1. This is the scale by which you want to rotate your image to the particular scale point. After this, you have to create a subplots by using the pyplot from matplot library. After this, what we are doing? We are getting the image change and set the title as the original image and then rotated image, that is our output image, and we are setting its title to image rotation, and then plt.title layout and plt.show. And here, after this, you can see your output like this. So this is the original image and this is the rotated image. This image is rotated by angle 30 degree and by scale 1. So in this way, you can rotate your image by using the get rotation matrix to the method of Opencv library. So this is all. Now coming to Jupyter Notebook, there we are going to see all the methods and functions we have seen till now. Coming to copy and pasting an image, what we have to do? First of all, we have to import CV2 as my CV. And we have to import pyplot from matplot library splt. And after this, what we have to do, we have to take the image reference path like this. Import cv2 as my cv. After this, from matplot, import pyplot as plt. And this is the image reference path. And we are using imread method of Opencv. After this, what I want to do, I want to take a variable that is I, and I want to store some index of row and column in this variable of my image. So as row, I want to take 300 to 500. And for column, what I want to take 400 to 850. And after this, I want to paste over this in some of the index. And I want to take index as 0 to 200 as row. And for column, I want to take from 0 to 450 like this. And I want to paste in this index my variable I, in which I stored some part of my image already. So I want to paste over here I. And after this, what we have to do, we have to show our image as I am show within this argument as image reference. And after this, plt dot show. And you can see your output like this. So for copy and pasting an image, what you have to do, you have to take the particular index of the image, row index and column index, paste that particular index in some variable and copy that variable to the desired location of row and column. And here, this is your output. This is the original image and this is the image which we have just copied. Coming to next one, that is resizing an image. So for this, what we have to do, we have to use the resize method of Opencv library. Before this, I'm going to paste the image path that is same as image equal to mycv.imread. After this, write resize image, and within this, you have to write mycv.resize. So we are going to use resize method of Opencv. Within this, as an argument, as the first argument, we have to pass the image reference. And as the second argument, what we have to do, we have to pass the dimension. So I'm going to pass dimensions as 270 and 250. After this, plt.imshow, within this, reference of the resized image, that is resized image. And after this, plt dot show. In this way, you can resize your image to the desired one and you can see your output like this. So this is the resized image of the original image. This is the original image and this is the resized image. Now coming to next one, that is rotating an image. So for this, we have to do the same. Import cv2 from matplot library, import pyplot splt, then image equal to mycv.imread. Here, this is the image reference, and then image change. So we are changing the color coordinates of the image, that is from BGR to RGB. After this, to rotate an image, what we are going to do, we are going to use get rotation matrix to the method of Opencv. So rotation matrix equal to cv2 dot get rotation and then matrix within this 2D. And within this, what we are going to pass as an argument, we are going to pass the first argument as center, and second argument is angle, and third argument is scale. So before this, what we have to do, we have to define all these arguments, center, angle, and scale. So for center, like center equal to image change dot shape 1 divided by 2. That is the index having image at the location 1. What we are going to do, we are going to divide it by 2 and same as 0 index divided by 2. So we get the center from here. And for angle, what we have to do, we have to write angle equal to 30 degree. I want to rotate my image to an angle 30 degree. And I want to rotate my image to the scale 1. In this way, center, angle, and scale. So get rotation matrix 2D. Within this, argument as center, angle, and scale. After this, what we are going to do, we are going to take the rotated image within this as an argument, image change, comma, rotation matrix. And this is the image dot shape at an index 1, image dot shape as an index 2. After this, what we have to do? We have to set the subplots using matplotlib. For this, what we are going to use? We are going to use plt dot subplots like this. So where plt dot subplots, and here we are going to show the dimension as a reference. After this, image or im show equal to image dot change. This is the original image and this is the rotated image or the output image which we want to see. After this, for getting the output in axis reference, we have to transfers in axis like ax dot set x ticks and ax dot set y ticks. And after this, what we have to do, we have to use plt dot and this layout. And after this, what we are going to use, we are going to use plt dot show. So in this way, using all these syntax, you are going to change the angle or you are going to rotate your image to the desired angle. And you can see your output like this. So this is the original image and this is the rotated image by an angle 30 degree and to scale 1. So in this way, you can rotate your image. Today, what we have seen till now, we have seen how we can copy and paste an image, how we can resize an image to the desired one, and how we can rotate our image to the desired angle. In this session, that's all for today. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.